If you want to edit a Framer template without getting overwhelmed, this video will walk you through the process step by step in a simple and practical way. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open your template, edit the content, change images, adjust the layout, preview your changes, and publish the final version. Whether you're customizing a landing page, a portfolio, or a business site, Framer makes it possible to transform a template into something that feels fully your own. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. The first thing you need to do is open your Framer project, which is the template you want to customize. Once your project is loaded, look for the Pages panel. This is where you can see the different pages inside the template, and it's usually the best place to start when you want to edit the structure of your site. Click on the page you want to work on, and Framer will open that page so you can begin making changes. Now that your page is open, the next step is to click on any element you want to edit. That can be text, an image, a button, or any other section on the page. Framer is very visual, so you can usually just select the part you want directly on the canvas. Once you click an element, the right-hand panel will show the settings and content options for that item. If you're editing text, this is where you can update the wording, change fonts, adjust size, tweak alignment, and refine the style so it matches your brand. If you're editing an image, you can replace it with your own file or change other image settings. If it's a button or link, you can update the label and destination URL. The right panel is where most of your template customization happens, so spend a little time exploring those options as you go. Next, if you want to edit the layout of your page, select the frame or section you want to adjust. This is how you control the overall structure of the template. You can change spacing, resize sections, move items around, and adjust alignment so everything feels balanced and polished. This part is especially important if the template doesn't quite match the look you want yet. Small layout changes can make a huge difference in the final design. If you need to replace an image, the process is simple. Click on the image element first, then look for the Replace Image option. After that, upload your own image from your computer. This is one of the fastest ways to make a template feel personalized because new visuals can completely change the style and tone of the page. Always make sure your new image fits the design well so the page still looks clean and professional. Once you've edited the content, layout, and images, it's time to test everything. Click Preview to see how the page looks in a lifestyle view. This step is important because it lets you catch any spacing issues, text problems, broken links, or awkward image placements before you publish. Take a moment to scroll through the page carefully and make sure everything looks the way you want it to. If everything looks good in preview, the final step is to click Publish. This applies your changes and makes the updated version live. And that's it. You've successfully edited a Framer template and turned it into something custom for your project. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.